I'm working I have 3 years experience in software industry, but 3 years is I'm working in small scale company, and my company name is Blue Hat Technology. And after that, I have uh, 2 years gap, and right now I'm joining Tech Mahindra, and my job profile is develop the software. I mean, as a backend developer, this software I'm using Java language, and JSON, AWS, etc. But I'm currently, actually, I have no project. Yeah, because I have, and my training period is hello.
Yes, continue.
Yeah, and
Okay, Bhagyashree, I have heard many times about when there is no project in IT, the employees get frustrated.
sorry, state.
When there is no project in IT sector,
Okay.
employees
Yeah.
get frustrated.
Yes. Employee is frustrated, and I was also frustrated because of I have not got the project, but uh, uh, I'm not joining. I was not joining the class because of I not got the project, and I was studying also in my all subject. I mean Java and Oracle and Spring Boot also, or software related subjects. The and but because of employees gone to the bench mean and not project. So after 3 months, continuously no got the project 3 months. So companies remove that employee after 3 months.
Are
That's
you
why
working on
employees
software also and applications also?
uh, applications.
Okay, means mobile applications.
No, actually I'm working in I mean services.
Okay.
Services means applications is a full all application development is full stack developer. Full stack developer means front end and back end developer is in software is divided in three types.
Okay.
First is front end developer, back end developer, and database Oracle. I mean MySQL developer. But my job is in back end developer.
Okay.
And the backend developer is mostly created the methods and provided to the front end developer.
Okay. So for application, do we require only Android language or something else?
Actually, Android is not language. In Android is a version. I mean, is application run on Android.
Okay.
Android I mean a mobile, and but in that application used other languages, Java. I mean Python language,
Python.
JSON, uh, and .NET. I mean, we have so much languages is available in software
So Python
industry.
is very famous, I think, right now.
Yes, because of in that Python is less coding. That's why is very
Okay.
famous
Python is understood.
because of few coding is created, and output is result is much. That's why is Python is. I mean, inbuilt methods and classes packages is available in Python. That's why
So without
Python is.
coding, can we do applications?
Yeah, I think, but I'm not. I was not created that type of application, but it's possible. Web application is possible because of many types of web applications is available. In that only drag the text box and images and put the application, and text is drag and put the whatever text. So created the web application without, but in backend, I mean drag the text box, but backside is also coding is available.
Okay, understood.